You've heard about link building and SEO, but you don't know much about it. Stick around because today I'll tell you what link building is and why it's one of the most important SEO strategies. But before I dive in, just in case you don't know me, my name is Marinela Cojocaru and I am a digital marketing expert. So what exactly is link building and how does it work? Simply put, link building is a search engine optimization technique that increases your website's ranking in Google or any other search engines. Links are one of the primary ways that search engine algorithms determine the relevance and authority of a page. Link building involves external and internal links and backlinks. Internal and external links are the links you add to your website, while backlinks come from other websites. All three types are crucial for improving visibility and helping search engines like Google crawl your website effectively. Alright, let's break down what really matters when it comes to link building. Here are the key factors to keep in mind. Popular sites receive more external links. For instance, Wikipedia ranks high on search results because so many sites link to it. Links from related sites in your niche are more valuable. If a popular shoe blog links to your shoe store, it carries more weight than a link from an unrelated site. The text used in a link matters. If someone links to your shoe store using shoe store as the anchor text, it signals to search engines that your site is a good resource for shoes. But be aware of overusing the same keywords. It can look spammy. Links are more valuable when the context is directly related to your website topic. The transition should feel natural. Now let's get into how you can build these valuable links. There are three main ways: internal and external links and backlinks. Start with internal and external links because it's entirely in your control. For internal linking, deep linking or linking to other pages other than your homepage is essential. Every page on your site should be reachable through at least one text link. Maintaining a blog is a fantastic way to increase internal links. It gives you more opportunities to link back to specific products or other pages on your website. In terms of external links, look for websites that not only provide value to your content and ultimately to your users, but look for well-known websites in your industry. Gaining backlinks is trickier but incredibly rewarding. The best strategy? Create excellent content that others want to link to. Another way is to reach out to bloggers or influencers in your niche and see if you can guest blog on their websites. But steer clear of black hat SEO tactics like paying for links. These can backfire. Link building might seem complex, but with the right strategy, you can master it and significantly boost your SEO. Remember, it's all about creating valuable, relevant content and building relationships with other websites in your niche.